Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a task in Freshsales. Now for this, what I want you to do on your dashboard, actually click here on the left hand panel on dashboards. From here you'll access the activities dashboard and then you can click on add task. Now we get this overlay right here, and first we need to enter the title. The title, this is mandatory. As you can see, there's an asterisk right here, so let's name this follow up task. Okay, that's what we'll go ahead and name it as. You can add a description if you want. This is optional. Okay, the owner right here is by default the user who's creating the task. You can of course go ahead and add tasks to other users, okay, on your company, on your team. What you can do here related to, so you select the record, so you search for the contact, the account or deal you want to associate this related, the task to. So let's do J. We'll search up J right here, J Patel. So we'll add this person, and you can also share the task with users by including the names of the users under collaborators, right? So you can have any number of users as collaborators right here. So the task type, it is a follow-up, okay? Of course, you can change it. You can do call reminder, and we'll set a due date as the 27th. That is fine. The time, there we go. We'll leave it as that. The outcome, you can adjust this later. Right now, we're just creating a task. Sometimes you can create a task after you've already done it. So you can set the outcome here, okay? And you can even mark it as completed. I'll just save this, okay? Right, there we go. And it should show up under your activities dashboard here. As you can see, open task. And you can mark it as complete just by clicking here. You can click on these three dots. You can add the outcome. You can go ahead and snooze it. You can email them directly here as well. And if you come here to their contact, you can easily just click on their name and it will actually show up, right? And as you can see, here is the task. And that is how to create a task in Freshsales.